Die geen leuke doen.
Jumping on me.
Oh yeah, jump here. Oh, she's gonna jump down. Yeah, then you have to pay for it. You have to pay for a doctor. She's so used to it now. She got it. She totally got it. She gets it. She gets it now. Yeah, yeah. She's beautiful, man. Sim, you're so lucky to have her. You should totally just feed her.
Take it
What's
home.
wrong with you?
Take it home. Yo, take it home.
I don't think I can deal with cats. This is too snobby, you know? Cats are a bit too snobby, aren't they? Jonathan, you take it home. Then you have 3 cats.
I have 2 dogs.
Your brother can have 3 cats. So she don't have to be lonely.
Oh.
She can join
Yeah, sure. You want to jump there?
she can join your brother's family. Oh, imagine if you have her home, then the 2 dogs is totally going to gang up on her. She'd be like a little sister. She'd be like a little sister, right? Hey,
What's this for? The neck. Money burger.
yeah, cats are really smart. Smart cats. Baby. Baby. So tiny.
Oh.
Ooh,
Lucky no nail.
feisty little one. Ooh, she's trying to bite you.
She spit.
She's like, you're not gonna gang up on me. You're not gonna bullshit me around. She know when you try to play her. It's like, don't test me. She's 4 weeks old and she's like, she already know how to say that. Don't test me. Even cats, I'm not test. Oh, she's biting on your couch, Sam. She's biting on your couch.
She wanna go damn.
She's biting on your couch.
What?
Wow. So amazingly. You put cute kitten, you know, if you put cute kitten on YouTube, you automatically it's like 100,000 hits, you know that? Totally. Cute kitten. Oh, BB, BB, Is she gonna jump?
Hold it.
Whoa! You okay? You okay, baby? You alright?
Don't cry.
Oh no, you gonna cry. You're not gonna cry, you little one. No, she's strong. She got strong spirit.
Now she only have 5 lines.
She got a strong spirit. She's not gonna cry. She's like, hell no. She's a winner, right? You're a winner. She ain't gonna cry. Whoa. Well,
So,
you go climb on me?
showing your dick.
You're disgusting, man. Sick bastard. Why are you so sick? It's like, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. You baby kitten. It's like, don't mess with me. I know who you
Feed her
are.
some chicken.
See, she,
I don't want to give her anything.
yeah, feed her some chicken.
Just one bite. She will have
So much energy in
one
her.
bite.
So, it's
Just
almost
give her
like a
one.
miracle.
Just give her one chicken, little one. Let me see. Let
give
me
her
see how
the-
she eat.
Yeah,
Just like
give her the chicken.
tiny one, just tiny one.
I wonder if she know what this is.
She don't know what it is.
You are such a strong girl. You totally got my respect, baby. You totally got my respect. Oh. Just put her on the floor. She's hungry.
Oh shit, she eat that shit. Wow. Damn, she eat that.
Of course she's gonna eat.
Why?
幾咩啊？樣樣都唔食。
She's like, I only eat chicken. Don't feed me no cat food. Don't feed me no cat food. So I'm not playing. I only like the good stuff. Yeah. I only like the good stuff, right? Is that what you're saying?
Tastes good. That's flavor.
Is that what you're saying? You only like the good stuff? She's like, I want quality. I want quality.
Yeah, how long is it recording?
Nothing less.
Can you finish? You finish on the deep.